Meanwhile, in St. Catherine, business owners in Old Harbour are calling for businesses to be allowed to extend hours during the state of emergency. According to President of the Old Harbour Chamber of Commerce, Adrian Samuda, some persons are already noticing a loss in revenue.
Then 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock closing time for businesses. They would appreciate if the time can be extended to 11 o'clock because a lot of businesses such as fast food and restaurants and clubs which make majority of their revenues from evening customers.
Mr. Samuda, who operates a small business, says he's had to cut staff since the SOE was
We have
declared.
cut 3 staff over the period, and we have reduced the work time for all staff. 4 hours. Yes. Definitely, that's going to cut their salary because there, there's an inverse relation. Our income is cut, so we have to look at cutting fixed expenses.
He told TVJ News that the Old Harbour Chamber of Commerce is expected to meet with the superintendent in charge of the area, where he hopes all the issues will be addressed.